everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a dark circle remedy that will help you to get rid of your dark circle, you know, those darkness around here. Okay, this remedy is going to help you to gradually, fade it up, and your skin is gonna be looking even. Now, one thing is that when you have a dark circles, okay, your skin is not going to be looking even. Okay, so it will actually make you look kind of old. So this remedy is actually going to help you to make your skin look even by removing the darkness around there. Okay, and you are gonna be loving it. Okay guys, so if you want to know all of it, just stay put, continue watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. Now let me take you right into the video. Okay guys, so to get rid of dark circles and equally a puffy eye, we're gonna be needing to use sugar. This is sugar. Now, because sugar is great for the skin, it helps to scrub out the skin. Now, when we mix the sugar, the granite particles is not going to be there anymore. So it's just going to be the sugariness that is going to help to remove the darkness around your skin. Okay, so now I'm going to be turning the sugar into this mix, yeah, and this is it. So the next ingredient is gonna be egg, and in this guys, we're gonna be using just the egg white. Now egg white is a great remedy that helps so much in tightening up your skin, and it helps to reduce the puffiness of our eye, and it helps to remove dark eye circles. Removing just the whites of the egg, basically. And that is it. Okay, so after successfully doing that, then you're gonna give that a stir. And then go. Okay, okay guys, so the next ingredient is going to be rice, and we're going to be using the rice water. We're basically not going to be using the rice particles itself. We're going to be using just the rice water. So this is how we're going to be achieving that. Yeah, so I'm going to be scooping in rice. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to be putting in water. And then I'm going to be mixing it up really good. I'm going to be keeping it aside for it to settle, so I can actually sieve out the juice of the rice. So we're equally going to be making use of potato, and potato is a great remedy that helps so much to rejuvenate and brighten up the skin. It helps to maintain an even clear skin, and it also tone up the skin, removing darkness and puffy eye and eye circles. Okay, so now it would have to be have to blend it. pour a little bit of water to enable the blending. Okay, so after doing that, then I will have to be sieving it out. I'll be needing just the juice of this. So I'm gonna be sieving it out, yeah. And this is a great and much juice, yeah. And then pouring the juice in here and mix it. I'll equally grab the rice, pour in the juice, like that's the rice water, and this is the rice itself. Mix it all together. Okay, now to make this work really better, because we're actually working on the eye area, you need vitamin E. Vitamin E contains a lactic acid and vitamin E itself, which helps to even out and make the skin really plump, yeah. So we're gonna be putting much of that, and gonna be mixing it. I mix it up really good. There are different ways of applying this, guys, okay, and I'm going to be showing you some of one or two ways in which you can apply this, yeah. So let's go to the washroom, but for this you can actually apply it at least 2 times in a week, yeah, to remove the puffy eye and the dark eye circle. Okay guys, so to remove your dark circles, this is my treatment and this is a cotton wool, yeah. There are 2 ways in which you're going to apply this, yeah, but I would tell you which way is actually better. The first way is just to use a brush, and then you apply this at your under eye, where you will likely be having your darkness, at your upper eye, where you likely be having your darkness. You can see I've actually wet my face. Okay, wetting my face is actually to help, you know, make the ingredients get into my skin really well, yeah. Okay, so this is it, and this is how I'm gonna apply it, yeah. I'm gonna be taking the cotton wool just like this, and I'm gonna be spreading it through, and I'm gonna be dipping it into the mix, yeah, and then squeezing out a little juice out so that it won't have to be dripping on my cheek, yeah. And then I'll have to spread this out a little more, and then okay, so you have to take it very close for color put inside your eyes, yeah. Okay, so that's it, and then you do same with the second one. And then spread it out and cover it up really well. Okay, so you might actually decide to do same with the upper side if you want. This is how it looks like. Okay, so you might decide to cover the upper side. I recommend you just do that so that, you know, it's going to be uncomfortable when you cover up, especially this upside. It's going to be very uncomfortable. But if your upper eye is actually dark, why not do that and stay for just a little while, and then the darkness will be gone. Okay, so when you do this, then you can actually stay for at least 10 to 15 minutes. You just close your eyes like this and just relax, just meditate, reason how to be successful, reason how to get a very good wife or a very good husband. Don't mind me, I'm just teasing you. Okay, but of course it's truth. Okay, and then when you stay for at most 10-15 minutes, then it's gonna be dry. Yeah, after it's dry, then you can actually remove it. Okay, remove it, and then you uh wash it off with a warm water. And sometimes wash it off with the cool water. Sorry, I didn't want to say warm water. Wash it off with the cool water, okay, because it's at the under eye area. And don't use too much of harsh soap, because some of those harsh soap actually make your under eye dark. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Use that. Just apply that and just go to rest. Close your eye for some time, just like I said, and it's gonna help you so much. Yeah. And I've actually used this. That's why I don't have darkness under my eye. But sometimes when you're stressed too much, the darkness begins to come up. Yeah. So that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you again. Bye, guys.